Hey everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on and do a very quick video to talk about sometimes the saving of money is just not in buying things on sale. It's also about looking at the portion sizes that you're eating and cooking. So you'd be forgiven with the slow cooked pork roast for cooking the whole thing at once. The instructions tell you to cook the whole thing at once. But actually, it's a 1.5 kilo roast, and that's way more than a family of, well, Matt and I are 2 people, even a family of 4 to eat. And sometimes things get wasted. Most people don't like leftovers. So this is actually going to become a 3 servings or 3 portions when I cook it. So I'm actually going to cut this into 3. So they're around 450 grams each, just round about that, and then I'm going to freeze them. So I'll cook them pulled pork style in my slow cooker or in my oven, depending on which way I feel like doing it. But then even though I paid $17.95 for this whole pork roast, it's actually going to come out to just over $5 per serve when I split it into 3. If you're a family of 4 and you want a little bit more, you can even cut this in half, but I wouldn't cook this whole thing at once because it's more meat that you need. So like I said, one thing when saving money, it's not just in the sale price, because I paid full price for this because supermarkets at the moment, because of lockdown, really don't have a lot of meat on sale, and I wanted to make pulled pork. But it's also about looking at the portion sizes that you're using and making realistic portions instead of overcooking and then throwing the leftovers in the bin. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.